Jake's getting creeped out by our resident crazy bird here. Very, very slowly move forward. Ah, crap. Jake, don't scare it. Jake, you stupid dog. If you scare that thing away. Crap! Dumb dog! Right, there he is. Jacob, go away. Come here. Come here, Jake. Come here. There's a good boy. Very, very slowly. Don't want to scare it. This is very tedious. But now you got a good clear view of this guy. See just how close I can get. This is a real nut job of a bird. And we can zoom out a little. He's staring at me. Stand still. Go away. Slowly. Easy does it. Stand right at me. Hey you. What you doing on our window? Yeah, you aren't one crazy little guy, aren't you? Ah, there you go. He's just sitting right there, waiting to come back. Here it comes. Hey there. This bird really wants in. Let's see if we can give it a bit of a scare. If I can find the right switch to turn the lights on. Doesn't work while filming figures. Grr. Crazy bird. Okay. Alright, there it goes. That's enough for my crazy bird here.